I'm going to share with you the 5 easiest side hustles to hit your first $10,000 a month in 2025, even if you've got zero experience, a limited budget, and limited time. You also don't need fancy degrees or years of knowledge. You just need to follow the exact steps I'm laying out today. It's important for you to understand that the difference between people who make serious money and those who don't isn't talent or luck. It's taking action and following the right proven step-by-step process consistently. Period. Without that step-by-step process, I would have never seen any success whatsoever. While everyone else is scrolling through Instagram dreaming about financial freedom, you won't be living it, so pay attention. Let's get into side hustle number 1, the PTP method. This is how you'll sell AI-fueled high-ticket coaching, services, or digital products and make serious cash doing it. The best part about the PTP method is that you can start generating 5-figure months without being some guru with 1 million followers. You just need to solve specific problems for specific people. The first step is creating your offer. You need to create an AI digital product or service that people can easily understand and buy. Don't overthink this. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Maybe you're good at fitness and you can help busy people to lose weight. Maybe you understand social media and you can help businesses to grow their platforms. Maybe you're organized and can help entrepreneurs to manage their time better. Whatever it is, make it specific and structure it into a clear offer. Instead of saying, I help with fitness, say, I help busy professionals to lose 20 pounds in 12 weeks without spending hours in the gym. You need to find exactly who needs your solution and speak directly to them. Social media makes this ridiculously easy in 2025. So create content that speaks to the pain points of your ideal customers. Be direct, be real, and focus on the transformation you provide. Then we get clients. And this is where most people mess everything up. They create something awesome, but then sit back and hope clients will find them. That is not how wealth is built. You need aggressive promotion. You need to get the message out there. Direct outreach to potential clients, free content, and later on, paid advertising once you've proven your offer works. The startup cost is virtually nothing. You're mostly investing time and energy. Here's what most people miss. You don't need to be the world's greatest expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. Plus, with AI tools in 2025, you can leverage technology to fill knowledge gaps. For example, I know someone who helps men to overcome a porn addiction, making $8,000 per month. Another person helps college students to improve their focus and study habits, pulling in $12,000 a month. Some of my customers help busy executives through efficient weight loss programs, and some of them are making $15,000 per month. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now, moving on to side hustle number 2, AI-powered content creation services. The demand for content is absolutely exploding, but most businesses don't have the time or resources to create it consistently. This is where you step in. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, you can produce massive amounts of quality content in record time. We're talking about blog posts, social media content, email newsletters, video scripts, all the stuff businesses desperately need. The process is dead simple. Learn how to use these AI tools effectively. Trust me, this takes days, not years. Then you package your services based on the transformation people get out of it. Don't just sell one blog post for $10 or something, otherwise you stay broke. Price based on value. Your offer should be at least $1,000 to $5,000. The startup costs are minimal. Most AI tools have free versions or very affordable monthly subscriptions. For example, Canva Pro only costs about $150 a year, and it gives you everything you need for creating visuals. And they give you free trials. What makes this hustle so powerful is the massive gap between perceived value and actual time investment. A client might pay you $500 for work that might take you 2 hours with the right AI tools. If you do the math, that's $250 per hour. Pretty cool, right? Many of my students start earning $3,000 to $5,000 per month within 90 days of launching their services or course or digital product. One person I mentored hit $12,000 in her first month by creating social media content packages for real estate agents. Now let's move on to side hustle number 3. AI chatbot development for businesses. Now this requires a little bit of skill, but this is absolutely blowing up right now because every business wants AI automations, but few know how to implement them properly. With platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat, you can create custom chatbots for businesses that handle customer service, lead generation, and sales process automatically. And the best part is that you don't need coding knowledge because these platforms are designed for regular people to use. The process works like this. Learn the basics of these chatbot platforms. This takes about a week of focused effort. Then identify businesses that would benefit from automating their customer interactions. Restaurants taking reservations, real estate agents qualifying leads, e-commerce stores handling common questions. Approach these businesses with a specific solution to their problems. Say something like, I noticed your team spends a lot of time answering the same questions. I can build you a system that automatically handles these inquiries, saving you 20 hours of staff time per week. You can charge anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 plus for a custom chatbot setup, plus monthly maintenance fees of $300 to $500. With just 5 clients on maintenance plans, that's already $1,500 to $2,500 of recurring monthly income. The best part about this side hustle is that businesses see a clear ROI. It's normal for them to invest. When you save them time and you help them to get more leads, they're happy to pay you. And once you've built a few chatbots, you can reuse and adapt your templates for new customers, making each project faster and more predictable. Moving on to hustle number 4, online course creation using AI. This is where you create and sell digital courses by leveraging AI tools to develop professional content quickly. The old way of creating courses took months of work, doing the research, scripting, recording, editing, designing, etc. But with AI tools in 2025, you can compress this timeline dramatically while producing even better courses. First, identify a topic where you have knowledge or partner with someone who does. Use AI to help you generate detailed outlines, scripts, presentation materials, and even quiz questions. Tools like ChatGPT can help you structure your entire course in hours instead of weeks. Then host your course on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. These make it easy to set up professional-looking courses without technical headaches. The magic of courses is passive income. You create it once and you sell it thousands of times. One of my students created a course on financial literacy for freelancers. She spent 2 weeks building it with AI assistance, and now she's making $8,000 to $11,000 per month in completely passive income. The startup costs are low, mainly the platform fee, which ranges from $30 to $200 per month, depending on which you choose. But at first, you can even start for free, and the earning potential is massive. Even a moderately successful course can bring in $3,000 to $8,000 a month in revenue. Finally, side hustle number 5, AI-assisted freelance services. Now, this is taking traditional freelance work and supercharging it with AI tools to deliver faster, better results than your competition. Think about services like graphic design, video editing, copywriting, data analysis. All of these can be dramatically enhanced using AI tools. For example, with Canva's AI features, you can create professional designs in minutes instead of hours. With tools like Descript, you can edit videos by editing text. With data analysis tools, you can extract insights automatically. The process is straightforward. You develop proficiency in your chosen service area and the relevant AI tools. You create a portfolio showcasing what you can do. Then you list your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork where clients are already looking for them. The difference between average freelancers making $30 an hour and elite freelancers making $150 an hour often comes down to efficiency and quality. AI tools allow you to have both. You can deliver faster and produce better work, justifying premium rates. One person I coached in the past specialized in creating data visualizations for businesses using AI-powered tools. He charged $2,000 per project and completes about 6 projects per month. That's $12,000 a month from a laptop, working about 25 hours a week. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now, let me be crystal clear about something. These side hustles work, but only if you do. The people who fail are the ones who consume information without taking action. They watch videos just like this, they nod their heads, and then they go back to scrolling on their phones. You don't want to be that person. You're better than that. Your future self is literally begging you to take action today. Here's what I want you to do right now. Choose one of these side hustles, just one, and commit to implementing it for the next 30 days, not half-heartedly, not when you find the time. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is simply the actions you haven't taken yet. $10,000 a month is not reserved for special people or an elite. It's reserved for people who make special decisions, do the work, and invest in themselves. And most importantly, people who don't quit. While others make excuses, you're going to make progress. While they consume, you're going to create. While they wait for the perfect time, you're going to make right now the perfect time. That's how you get ahead of 99% of people. The question isn't whether these side hustles work, because they absolutely do. The question is, will you work on them? Will you make them work? Are you going to be sitting here a whole year from now, watching another video about making money, or are you going to be the one who actually did it? As always, the choice is yours. But remember this, the world rewards doers, not talkers. They're the ones who make the real money. So now go after and get after it. Your $10,000 a month is waiting for you to claim it. Now, if you want to discover the 3-step process I've been using to make thousands of dollars per day in profit from my laptop, from home, click the link in the description below. Right now, I'm also offering free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you implement the strategy and reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we have very limited spots. We just can't talk to everyone. So click on the link in the description below. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.